This spirited man received a text from his stepmom which, inadvertently, contained the solution to a problem he'd been trying to solve. The trick was in this video. The trick to fix a scratch that paint alone cannot fill. Welp, let's see if this works. The scratch is a result of negligence on the spirited man's part. Bike drags on road, forcing brake lever deep into the hatchback. Brake lever digs out paint, a little crater that paint alone cannot fill. Hence the trick. And the trick is to mix super glue with baking soda. Here goes. Yeah, he could just use Bondo, but he ain't got no Bondo. Hardens instantly. Rock hard. Good enough.